The president of Chicago's Fraternal Order of Police says over 1,000 officers are using a controversial gun that could accidentally discharge.
John Catanzara says the weapons should be pulled off the streets. WGN's Jenna Barnes is at FOP headquarters now with more on this story. Jenna?
Yeah, Ray and Micah, this gun is at the center of lawsuits across the country that allege it can accidentally discharge, especially while it's holstered, and cause serious injuries. And now the police union is warning its members within CPD.
I believe all our members carrying this gun should ask for administrative duty, effective immediately. Take me off the street.
A serious recommendation from Fraternal Order of Police Lodge 7 President John Catanzara to the roughly 1,200 Chicago police officers he says carry the Sig Sauer P320. The gun is popular with local and federal law enforcement and personal gun owners too. But in the past few years, it's become the focus of dozens of complaints nationwide over claims it can accidentally fire.
Explain to me how a gun goes off getting out of the car.
In 2023, our partners at News Nation obtained these videos of the gun allegedly doing just that. Last year, juries sided with gun owners in Pennsylvania and Georgia in their lawsuits against the manufacturer.
It's not just, if I'm on the street, does it accidentally go off and hurt me, hurt my partner, hurt a citizen? What about my kid at home when I'm actually getting ready to go to work? It's just so many concerns.
Catanzara says CPD's Arsenal Committee voted weeks ago to ban the gun, but it's still in use. He wrote this letter to Superintendent Larry Snelling Friday, asking him to cover the costs of the switch for each officer using the weapon, about 10% of the force.
You are personally and morally going to be subjecting yourself to some major trauma should you have one of these incidental misfires, because the department was too lazy or too cheap to solve it faster.
Sig Sauer denies the gun has a safety problem, saying in a statement last month the P320 cannot, under any circumstances, discharge without a trigger pull. That is a fact. The allegations against the P320 are nothing more than individuals seeking to profit or avoid personal responsibility. Milwaukee's police department is one that's already stopped using it.
This is the biggest department by far that it's going to be a major black eye, and once we pull them, I think it'll end up being a kind of a snowball down the hill. Everybody's going to have to ban it nationwide.
Catanzara tells us there are differences of opinion even within the police union on the dangers of this gun, but he says if the police department has already taken steps to ban it, they have to follow through with urgency because of the liability. We have reached out to CPD and the mayor's office on this, and so far have not received a response. We're live on the west side. Jenna Barnes, WGN News.